A man endured hiccups for an unimaginable 68 years straight, holding the world record for the longest hiccuping spree ever recorded. Starting in 1922, Charles Osborne experienced this bizarre affliction until 1990, hiccuping up to 40 times a minute at the peak. Despite countless medical visits and attempts at remedies, nothing could halt the relentless spasms. Astonishingly, Osborne managed to live a relatively normal life, farming and raising a family, even though the incessant hiccups only ceased a year before his death. This mind-boggling endurance showcases the extraordinary resilience of the human spirit against the oddest challenges.